Welcome to very sunny Saturday afternoon in Beijing. Spring is here. There's a lot of people out in the streets and a lot of cool stores. Of course, I like to explore food, so I'm gonna walk around here and try one of my favorites, which is the Zhajiang. It's kind of a Beijing specialty with some bean sauce and noodles. And I found a place here in the background looking really cool. So I'm going inside and check it out. Oh, here we got the noodles. That is looking amazing. Take a look at this sauce. I think it's called basically the Beijing sauce. Zhajiang. Let's try. Very savory, very salty, sour-ish, not that sweet. That is a lot of steam. It's looking amazing. Oh, hot. Take a look at that mountain. Definitely very crunchy with the carrots. I really like this mix of flavor. You have the onion, and we have the bean paste sauce with the pork, and of course the noodles. That is fantastic. And of course you're gonna slurp when you eat it. I gotta trust the locals and mix everything together. It doesn't look as pretty. Also has bean sprouts here, but still very nice. Oh yes, I don't often eat noodles, but that's crazy. Less is more. I'm just gonna try a little bit with this vinegar here. Let's see. Nice, but I missed some chili. Yeah, I need some chili, so I found this little package here. Obviously not the healthiest, but you gotta have some spice in your life here. A lot of chili there. Now we're talking a bit more of a chili vibe. Ooh, that was much better. Yeah, I'm gonna take my time and enjoy this fantastic meal. But if you come to Beijing, definitely try this Zhajiang. Really classic dipple. Now I'm gonna go explore a bit, see a bit later. What was interesting with these names here, I feel double beautiful in the background. A lot of interesting translations here in Beijing. Nice, I was walking around, I found this kind of beef place in the back, and you can find some nice beef. You cut it up here in the back, and I try a bit. Need some more protein after that. Last thing with just noodles. Get like a whole mountain of beef in the background, but these pieces look really promising. Very chewy. Definitely more flavorful when you get these kind of fat pieces. That's fantastic. I'm gonna finish up this amazing bowl of goodness and then continue walking around here. But if you want to see me try more Beijing stuff here, let me know what you want to see. And if so, give me a like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next food video.